I think I just put my headspace and practiced my lines. I was with Direct. He kept coaching me about confidence, and I just went for it. You have to really give it your natural vibe, your aura to this kind of industry and film. So I just went with it through using my heart and the energy around me. Everyone was supportive, everyone was directing me. So I'm just so grateful for the crew and Direct's um, time with us.
And sayang wala si Sahara, but kamusta siya katrabaho?
She was also very soft with me. She handled me really well. Everyone just made me feel so welcomed and like prepared me. That's why I just feel like I'm really grateful because everyone was there to help me along the way.
Okay, thank you and congratulations po.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang mga tanong ni Mark Magadia from Maganda Ba Movie.
Good afternoon, guys. Yes, first question ko muna kay Direk. Kasi parang napapansin ko, recently nagiging madalas yung ganitong parang special presentation for parang special content sa VMX. So, paano mo direct masasabi, ma-express sa fans ng VMX or sa audience to say na magiging excited sila para sa ganitong itong tipo ng content, yung katulad ng sa Todo Kayod 2. What would make them excited to look forward to watch this type of contents? Yeah.
Una, market. No? Una, market. Pag nanood ka ng isang VMX film, 2 o 3 babae lang mapapanood mo. No? Pag nanood ka ng Todo Kayod o any non-narrative content ng ganito ng VMX, mga 25 na babae at 35 na lalaki ang makikita mo, no? Na mapaulit-ulit mo sila makikita, no? Meaning may iba't ibang kwento, no? So, content-wise, eat all you can. Eat all you can. Buffet. Buffet ito, no? Buffet yung panonood mo ng ganitong content. Kasi nga, created talaga itong non-narrative para sa VMX fans.
Okay, thank you, Direk. Second question ko kay Alec. I heard na first na press con mo to. So far, how does it feel that you're having the first press con? And ano yung preparations na ginawa mo for today?
Thank you so much for that question. I did feel initially very nervous backstage, but they did ask me questions. They prepared me before coming in here, but now I feel okay naman, less intimidated, and I'm just curious what everyone has in store for me. All the questions.
And yung bonus question na lang, ano yung pakiramdam na first press con mo is kasama mo agad si Direk Roman na co-director ng VMX?
I feel safe.
Okay.
He was there for me from the start, even when I entered. He already told me, confidence, exude, elegance, make sure all the answers will be intellectually stimulating.